Hello, this is Dave with Just Jeep and Stuff. This is our number 2 flag holder that mounts directly over the spare tire. We're going to do a quick installation. It's very simple. First thing you want to do is open up a little can of WD-40 or some lightweight household oil, put a little bit of lubricant on these threads. It helps it thread in and also prevents a little bit of rust forming. The second thing we'll do before we get started is to take our heat shrink tubing, place it over the male section, slide it on a little bit further than the end, do it on both the pieces, simply slides in there. The warmer this works, the warmer it is, the better it works. Slides right on, that'll slide over and cover the joint. The second thing, or the next thing we'll do, is take one of our neoprene washers, and you have to kind of push it on and then thread it. It's very tight. The washer is made for a little bit size smaller bolt diameter, but it's the same outside diameter as the tube. So you're going to do both of those. Get your prep ready. And all this stuff comes in a kit along with the two 14-inch heavy-duty tarp straps. Now we're just going to thread these in, male and the female. Don't get in a hurry. It'll all mesh. Once it starts, just tighten it right up snugly. And we already know that one washer is going to be needed for this Jeep. You just walk over. One hand only weighs about 3 pounds. Drop it right over the tire. Center it. You can align it. Kind of flag pull it over the center. Once you've done that, you might want to slide the heat shrink over that seam on both sides, because once it's tight, it's kind of awkward to get it off. So there again, at this point, it's free. It's mounted. Now then, to secure it, we just simply open the tailgate. And I include 2 tarp straps. You note that one end is open. The other end of it, I seal in heat shrink. This one goes to where this eyelet, you just drop this down, hook it over to where the end of this metal piece is away from the painted surface of your tailgate. Just hooks in there like that. Do both of these at the same time. Drop them in. Let the tarp strap dangle down between the tailgate and the back of your rim. Then you come right around. With people with small hands, you just reach through, grab the tarp strap with the vinyl coated in. That's why we keep it to where it's not painted. They're not going to scratch your rim. And they're pretty tight because we want to keep this pretty tight. Pull it through any wheel opening in your wheel below the center line. Bring it up. Just hook it right over the bottom of the rack. Do the same thing over here. There you go. At this point, it's on. Very snug. The kit also comes with 3 either 3-foot 4-inch flagpoles, or these are the 4-foot 6. And you can see all the flags mount even with your glass open. Slides right in there. Tailgate opens and functions with this flag rack on the Jeep spare tire. Illustrate, and you can take one of your, we don't sell the flags, but the flags are readily available through my distribution partner. Drop it in, close the gate, and you're installed.